how to enable FileVault on Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to keep the data on your Mac secure? FileVault encrypts your startup disk, helping protect your files if your Mac is lost or stolen. In this video, I'll show you how to enable FileVault on your Mac. You'll need to open up Settings, and then you need to head over to Privacy and Security. Now you'll need to scroll down until you find FileVault. Just tap on it, and then if the switch is toggled off, you just need to tap on it and then toggle it on. So, FileVault secures your data by encrypting the contents of your Mac and locking your screen with the password. So it's as simple as that. Once FileVault is enabled, your Mac will begin encrypting the startup disk in the background. And that's how you enable FileVault on your Mac. Encrypting your startup disk is one of the best ways to protect your personal files and sensitive information. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.